ஹலோ டியர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், குட் மார்னிங் டு ஆல். நடைபெற இருக்கின்ற NAS எக்ஸாமுக்கு நல்லா ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்காக உங்களுக்கு எல்லா டீச்சர்ஸுமே ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் பண்ணுறாங்க. நான் இப்போ சோஷியல் சயின்ஸில் ஒரு 100 கொஸ்டின் உங்களுக்கு எடுத்து அனுப்புகிறேன். முதல்ல நான் வாய்ஸ் மெசேஜ் நான் கொடுத்துட்டு சார்ட்டை நான் உங்களுக்கு அட்டாச் பண்ணி அனுப்பிச்சிடுறேன். சார்ட்டையும் பார்த்துங்க. நல்லா உங்கள் பிரெயினை ட்ரெயின் அப் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லான ஒரு விஷயம் இது. விஷ் யூ ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், த எத்தியோப்பியன் ஆர்மி டிஃபீட்டட் த இட்டாலியன் ஆர்மி அட் அடோவா. Japan emerged as the strongest in East Asia towards the close of 19th century. The answer is Japan. Third one, dash said imperialism is the highest stage of capitalism. Lenin. Fourth one, the Battle of Marne is remembered for dash trench warfare. Fifth one, after World War I, dash took to a policy of isolation. USA. Sixth one, the first Secretary General of League of Nations belongs to dash Britain. Seventh one, dash was expelled from the League of Nations for attacking Finland. Russia. Eighth one, Japan forced a war on China in 1894. 1894 answer. Ninth one, in the Balkans, dash had mixed population. Answer Macedonia. Locarno Treaty. 10th one, Locarno Treaty was signed in the year 1928. 1928 answer. 11th one, in the Battle of Tannenberg, dash suffered heavy losses. Dash suffered heavy losses. Russia. The Lateran Treaty was signed by Italy with dash. Answer Pope. 13th one, dash made Peru as the part of the dominions. Answer Spaniards. 14th one, dash disliked dollar imperialism. Latin America. 15th one, dash was the brain behind the apartheid policy in South Africa. Verwoerd. 16th one, dash quickened the liberation process in South America. Napoleonic invasion. 17th one, the Nazi party propaganda was led by dash Joseph Goebbels. Joseph Goebbels answer. 18th one, the secret state police of Nazi party was dash. Answer Gestapo. 19th one, the Union of South Africa came into. Answer May 1910. 20th one, Boers were also known as dash. Answer Afrikaners. 21st, 21, Nelson Mandela was put behind the bars for dash years. Answer 27. 22nd question, on dash the Japanese formally sign of the surrender. 2nd September 1945. 23rd, dash initiated the formation of League of Nations. Answer Woodrow Wilson. 24th, the US Navy defeated the Japanese Navy in the dash Battle of Midway. 25th, the US dropped its first atomic bomb in dash. Answer Hiroshima. 26th, dash were mainly prosecuted by Hitler. Jews. 27th, dash PM of England signed the Munich Pact with Germany. Chamberlain. 28th, on dash the Charter of UN was signed. Answer June 26, 1945. 29th, in dash the headquarters of International Court of Justice is located. Hague. 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 30th one, Hitler attacked dash a demilitarized zone. Answer Rhineland. 31st, dash started the Lend-Lease program. Theodore Roosevelt. 32, Britain Prime Minister dash resigned in 1940. Answer Chamberlain. 33, in dash the Warsaw Pact was dissolved. 1991. 34, at dash the Arab League was formed. Answer Cairo. 35th, in dash the North and South Vietnam was united. In 1976. Answer 36. Dash was the first director of Wambova Military Academy. Chiang Kai-shek. Answer. 37. Dash became the chairman of the PLO's executive committee in 1969. Answer. Yasser Arafat. 38. Dash the American president followed the policy of containment of communism. Answer. Truman. 39. On Dash People Political Consultative Conference held in China, September 1948. 40th one. The US and European allies formed Dash to resist Soviet aggression in Europe. Answer. NATO. 41. Dash was known as the father of modern China. Answer. Dr. Sun Yat-sen. 42. Germany joined the NATO in Dash 1955. 43. Dash was the headquarters of the Council of Europe, Strasbourg. 44. The Treaty of Dash provided for mandates in Turkish Arab Empire, Versailles. Answer. 45. Sadi was abolished in the year 1829. Answer. 46. Dash was founded by Dayananda Saraswati, Arya Samaj. 47. Namdari movement was founded by Answer. Baba Ram Singh. 48. Widow Remarriage Reform Act of 1856 was came into existence by Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. 49. Dash was the voice of Rast Kopsar, Parsi movement. 50. The author of the book Satyartha Prakash was Dash Dayananda Saraswati. 51. Gulmogir was written by Jyotiba Phule. 52. Dash founded the Samarasa Veda Sanmarka Sangam, Ramalinga Adigal. 53. Satya Sodak Samaj was launched by Jyotiba Phule. 54. Ramakrishna Mission was established by Swami Vivekananda. 55. Oru Paisa Tamilan was started by Ayodhi Dasar. 56. Dash was the first Palekarar to resist East India Company, Pulithevar. 57. At Dash Subramanianar was executed, Nagalapuram. 58. Dash issued the Tiruchirappalli Proclamation of Independence, Marudu Brothers. 59. The Vellore Revolt was broke out on 10th July 1806. 60. To Dash, the sons of Tipu Sultans were sent after Vellore Revolt, Calcutta. 61. Dash put the Palayakar system in Tamil Nadu, Viswanatha Nayakar. 62. Kattabomman was hanged to death at Dash, Kayathar. 63. Dash suppressed the revolt in Vellore Fort, Colonel Gillespie. 64. Haji Sharidullah launched Farasi movement in 1818 at East Bengal, Farasi movement. 65. Dash declared that land belongs to God, Tudu Miyan. 66. The partition of Bengal come into effect on 16th October 1905. 67. Dash set up the first home rule league in 1916, Tilak. 68. Dash was the major tribal revolt in Chota Nagpur region, Kol Revolt. 69. Dash was arrested during the anti-Rowlatt protest in Amritsar, Saifuddin Kichlu. 70. Non-cooperation was approved in Dash session, Calcutta. 71. Dash was declared as Independence Day, 26 January 1930. 72. In Dash, the first Forest Act was enacted, 1865. 73. On 8th January 1933, Dash was observed, Temple Entry Day. 74. The Dash introduced Provincial Autonomy, Government of India Act 1935. 75. Gandhiji was at dash when India attained independence. Navagali. 76. Gandhiji was thrown out of the first class compartment in Peter Maritzburg station. Peter Maritzburg. Answer 77. Gandhiji regarded dash as his political guru. Gopala Krishna Gokhale. 78. Khilafat movement was led by dash Ali brothers. 79. Government of India Act of 1919 was introduced Dayarchi, Rettayarchi Murai, Dayarchi. Question number 80. Dash coined the term Pakistan. Chowdhury Rahmat Ali. 81. Dash was the first president of Madras Mahajana Sabha. P. Rangayya. 82. Dash said better bullock carts and freedom than a train deluxe with subjection. Annie Besant. 83. Dash was SILF's official organ in English. Justice. 84. Dash set up Satyagraha camp in Udayavanam near Madras. T. Prakasam. 85. In dash anti-Hindi conference was held. Salem. 86. Dash was appointed the first Indian judge of Madras High Court. T. Muthuswamy. Dash hoisted the national flag at Fort St. George on 26 January 1932. Bashiyam. 88. Dash formed the first Congress ministry in Madras. C. Rajaji. 89. Nilakanda Brahmachari started the secret society named Bharata Mata Society. 90. Dash was the pioneer of social reformer in India. Rajaram Mohan Rai. 91. Dash was the official newspaper of self-respect movement. Kudiyarasu. 92. Periyar wanted religion to be replaced by dash rationalism. 93. Dash founded Adi Dravida Mahajana Sabha in 1893. Rettaimalai Srinivasan. 94. Dash was the first woman legislator in India. Mukthalakshmi Ammayar. 95. The name Surya Narayana Sastri changed in Tamil as Paridumar Kalaignar. 96. Dash is considered the father of Tamil linguistic purism. Maraimalai Adigal. 97. The College of Fort St. George was founded by F.W. Ellis. 98. Dash was the first non-European language that went into print. Tamil. 99. India's first Madras Labour Union was formed in dash 1918. ஓகே டியர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், எல்லாம் கவனமாக படிச்சுக்கிங்க. ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியம். அடுத்தது ஒரு இங்கிலீஷ் வீடியோ ஒன்று ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணி அனுப்புகிறேன். அதையும் நல்லா பார்த்துங்க. விஷ் யூ ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட். தேங்க்யூ டு ஆல்.